And what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. How y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty great. I just want to say thank y'all for tuning in to another video today. Wow. And I just want to thank you all for the support, because we're making it to the top, baby. We're making it to the top. That's where we're going. You see out there? That's where we're going. That's where my team going. Anyways, today we got a 2011 Ford F-250 Super Duty, and we're going to be doing the AC compressor in it. Sorry if I'm still sniffing, because I don't know if I remember from the last video, but I was kind of stuffy from my allergies. So, and it's really cold again today. That's weird. The other day it was just hot and I was cold. But anyways, let's get into this video. So, hold on, I got some more parts coming. Damn, this man gonna come way up here. Let's see what I got today.
You got a belt.
Oh, my serpentine belt. Okay, that's perfect, because I need that for the rest of my job. This is a huge belt. This is the belt for that Super Duty. Huge.
This guy gained a lot of weight.
Right? You can give it to him inside. So I can finish my job. I hate people. Just kidding. Alright, so I'm gonna throw this belt over here. Okay, so first things first, because I already took the compressor out, so let me just show you guys how I took it out, and then I'm going to walk you guys through putting it back in. So, the first thing that I did to take the belt out, because there's no space to get to the tensioner, because you obviously got to take the tensioner off to get to the belt. So, what we did was, I just took the air box out and made a little room right here, and then it was a lot better for me to get down there to get the tensioner to take the belt off. So you do that part first, and then we're gonna come up under the bottom. The truck is so huge, I don't even need a jack. I just come right up under here. Oh. Whoa. And we under. Okay, let me get my light. Boom. All right, so we got our light. Let's bring the camera around this way. Again, I don't have this jacked up, so we'll put it the best way we can. So there's the new compressor. The old one's already out. I'm putting the new one back in. So the way that I did this was, there's 3 screws, 1, 2, 1 at the top. What I did was, they're all 10 millimeters. After you get the belt off, you take those 3 screws out, 1, 2, 3. And the plug on the side, you see the plug, there's the plug right there. So you take those 3 screws out and you take the plug off. And then to get those 2 lines, the 2 AC lines from the top of the compressor, come outside. Let's get from up in here again. Come around through the wheel well. And hold on. Came around through the wheel well. And if you just push this piece up right here, you come right through this side. Let me zoom in a little bit. You push that open, and if you come right here to the side, you will see those 2 lines perfectly clear right here. Hold on. Right through this little spot right here. See? Those are the 2 lines right there. They're 2 13 millimeter screws, and my setup that I used to get these screws out was, you're gonna need a long 13, obviously. You're gonna need a swivel, because the 13 has to wiggle around. You need a swivel and some long extensions and a gun. That was the easiest way for me. It took me a while to figure that out, but once I figured it out, it took me 2 seconds and I was in and out. So, I mean, I really can't show you guys too much of me putting it back together, because the spots where it's at is just ridiculous. So I guess I'm just gonna put the camera down, and then after I get it back in, I'll show you guys step by step after I do one thing at a time. So first thing I'm gonna do right now, it might be kind of loud, this compressor's on, but the first thing that I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and put these 2 AC lines back on. So once I get the 2 AC lines back on, I'll come back and I'll update you guys on what's next. Alright, so we back and I got the 2 lines on. Took me like 10 minutes because there's no space. Let me show y'all my 2 lines real quick, you feel me? Trying to light around this way. Where are they? Can't really see. All this crap is in the way. So there's one and the other one's right behind it. It's not really a good look, but something's better than nothing. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is we have to put our 3 screws back in. And I might be able to let y'all watch me do that part. Let me go see. Okay. So let's get my light set up. Set that bit up right here. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is that I had to take this little bar out. It goes right here because you can't get the compressor out any other way. You have to take that bar off. Otherwise, you'll be fighting all day with yourself because you're not going to get this compressor out without taking that bar off. So with that being said, let me find a good spot for y'all to see. Dang. I need a GoPro because this camera is too huge. Okay, so unfortunately there's no way that I can hold this camera because I don't have my cameraman and do this, so I'm gonna put this part together and then I guess I'll update you guys again once I finish. Alright y'all, so I got this I got the screws in. Let me bring the camera around so y'all can see. Boom. Got my 3 screws in. It did not take me that long at all. 1, sorry that light is right there, but 2 and 3. The end tightened down. Everything's in. The last thing I have to do is connect my plug on the side, which is very self-explanatory. The plug is right there. Feel me? Easy. Connect your plug back in, and then I gotta put the belt. Well, I got a new belt, so I gotta put the new belt on, which is a pain in the ass. But we gonna do it. We gonna get it right. Feel me? Gonna get it right. So let me go ahead and put this belt on and get the rest of this stuff connected up, and then back I'll be. All right, y'all. So how about the video just stop recording by itself? What the? I think I pressed the button. Whoa. Now I gotta redo all that all over again. All right, so we all done now. Everything's back together. I got my air boxes back in. My belt. No, I'm gonna record that too. So, got my airbox back in, my belt back on, everything's back in place. I've already evac'd and recharged the system, but we have a small problem. So I don't know if a lot of y'all know about this, but a lot of cars have ambient. Don't every car have that? Yeah. Every car has an ambient temperature sensor, which is a sensor that's in the grill most of the time. And if the weather outside is under what, 70 or 60? About 70, right? If the degrees is under about 60 degrees, it won't allow the AC compressor to cut on. So we're pretty much at a standstill right now until the weather warms up a little bit. Or yeah, or you can put a heater on it to make it work again. But we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna wait because the truck's gonna be here for a while anyway. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video here today. But let me also show y'all where this low side pressure hose is, because I could not find that for like a good 10 minutes. But it's right back there by the computer. That's the low side, and here is the high side. So, with that being said, thank you all for watching. That's how you do an AC compressor on a 2010 or 11 Ford 11, right? Yes. 10, ain't the 10 the same thing? 6, 7. Starts at 11. Oh, well, 2011 Ford F-250 Super Duty with a 6.7 turbo diesel in it. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.